Hey guys, welcome to my channel, SoCal Style. It's Mel here. So I wanted to do a really quick and simple video on just something simple for you guys to maybe get an idea for your home. The main reason I want to do this video is because it helped me declutter and organize my home, which is like the biggest thing for me because I hate clutter and it was getting overboard because we have a small space and we have 2 kids and a dog, and it was just getting too much, especially since my little one started preschool, backpack, everything was just everywhere, paperwork, and it was just getting too much. So I Pinterest a lot, I watch a lot of YouTube videos, and so I just wanted to show you how I did my command center, and I'll explain what that means in just a second, for a small space. And so what I mean by command center is pretty much just some place where the whole family can come and know what the heck is going on in everyone's life. So if you want to know that, go ahead and watch this video, give it a thumbs up, please subscribe for more videos like this, and let's get into it. Okay, so my command center started off because me and my husband kept miscommunicating. Every time we thought that there was an event coming up, he didn't know, or he would claim he didn't know even though I told him. And so we would always not know what's going on. So I decided, okay, we need a one-stop shop as to where we can all just go to this section in the home and know what's going on with the calendar, the bills, whatever coupons we need. So I saw that a couple of people were calling this a command center. So I was like, okay, let me look into it. So I Pinterest, because I have a small space too. So what I did is I got this, I guess it's like a push pin board from Home Goods. It was like 20 bucks. And I got a calendar and I decided to decorate it, and so for every season I kind of update it. So right now it's all Christmas out, as you can see, but pretty much what goes on here are any upcoming invitations, any you know, and I've of course put pictures, and I'll update it with maybe seasonal pictures of the kids or whatever. Any save the dates we have coming up, I'll go ahead and post it around here so we all know. And then of course I did buy this calendar from Target for about $9.99, and so I just decorated it with any appointments coming up, birthdays, events on the weekends, which was big for us because that's where you know, my husband wasn't aware of what's coming up. So I put everything on this calendar so that way we were all in the know. And then of course I decorated it for Christmas. I got that light garland from the Target dollar spot. And then as you can see down here, I got this also from Home Goods, and I think this was only like 12 bucks. And it's kind of like a letter, I guess, you know, holder or whatever the case is. And so I have our recipes from HelloFresh in here because we do partake in HelloFresh. And so I have our recipes for the week in here on the top, and then all our bills and coupons on the bottom. So this is what I mean. It's just a one-stop shop. You got your calendar, you got your recipes, you got your coupons, and you got your bills all in one spot. And it's not all over my table, and it's not, you know, cluttered around the house. We used to have the recipes in one section. We used to have the bills in one section. We used to have, you know, miscommunication on events. So this was really cool for me just to put everything in one spot. And then I just decorated a little bit. You know, you can do a little collage, whatever your wall space looks like. I have a very small wall space, so this is the best I could do. So hopefully this gave you guys some ideas, just a quick video on how you can try to organize and declutter, because that just makes life so much better. So I hope you guys like this video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!